you have to make sure you are clear on your purpose. What is going on, everyone? Jeremy Ritz here. Courage pays better than fear trading. Happy, beautiful day wherever you are, and welcome to this episode of Driven, where every once in a while I have to bring this thing back to the center, the focal point, and I want to use this opportunity today to explain to you what this channel is all about as we continue to grow, continue to build, as more subscribers come on, and all of you just continue to provide support to the channel, which I'm tremendously grateful for. I want to just take a moment to talk about, hey, this is what we're all about here on Courage Pays Better Than Fear Trading. First of all, my name is Jeremy Ritz, for those of you who are new to the channel. And if you don't know my story, I'm not going to give the whole version here today, but I used to be a high school principal in my former life, turned trader, investor in the markets. Now I have this wonderful channel. And this is what we're all about here on Courage, is markets, stock market, bond market, crypto markets, all things markets every day. And why is that? Well, because I found my passion. I found that thing that I wanted to do when I grow up. And whenever I was a principal, I thought I wanted to be a superintendent of schools. I went for a superintendent position. Didn't get it, was a semi-finalist, and had poopy pants. Was like, oh man, didn't get that job. Went for another director position, didn't get that. And then I'd always wanted to start my own business, and somehow that led me to the markets and led me here. And I can honestly say today, without question, I'm living what I want to do. I wake up every day excited about looking at the markets, to seeing what's happening in the markets. And here's why. Because the markets can change everybody's life out there. And one candle, right? One candlestick can change everybody's life, anybody's life. And so knowing that and having experienced that myself through trade, it is my mission to share that with all of you and to encourage, inspire, motivate people to, hey, start learning the markets. Start learning how they can impact you and your family in a positive way, while at the same time being safe about it, conservative about it, and smart, so that you don't face financial ruin. So that's why I'm here. I love the markets, and I want to share that love with everyone else to hopefully light that fire in you so that you want to go do the same. So that's what we're all about here. So what does that look like in terms of content? Well, there's a couple different things that we do on here. Number one, I am not the flashy suit and tie Wall Street guy. I'm not the Lambos, Martinis, bikinis guy. That's not me. That's not what you're gonna get. I'm just a normal dude. I wear a hat, t-shirts. I wore a shirt and tie and a suit jacket for over 10 years as an administrator in a school system. I am not putting that stuff back on. Not that there's anything wrong with it, because every once in a while I do like to dress up. But this is just real life for me. This is what it's like from the day to day. So what does that mean in terms of content? Well, you have the Driven series, like what you're watching right now, where I'm in the truck here and I'm recording market commentary. I'm talking about things related to trading mindset. I'm sharing things with you about my personal life, what I'm working on right now, training for an Ironman. That's what you get from the Driven series. Real time, day to day, real world markets, right? So that's the first thing. The second thing that you get from the channel is education, learning, teaching you about day trading, swing trading, long-term investing, because at the core, yes, I might not be in the school system anymore, but I am a teacher at heart. I am born and designed to teach. If I'm not teaching, I'm not living. So I have to teach. So I'm teaching through my videos. And some of those are explicitly, hey, day trading class, swing trading class, learn options, those types of things. But I also work in that education into the day-to-day videos. So it's always a part of what I'm doing. I'm teaching you guys. And then the final part are market analysis videos, where I get into the technical analysis component, which is my favorite part of markets. I love charts. I love analyzing charts. I love identifying chart patterns, and I love trading them. And so what you'll see on this channel is we look at individual tickers to anticipate moves that are coming, to analyze moves that have already happened. And one of the biggest things that I love the most are earnings reports, because you typically get massive moves that follow. And so I do lots of earnings previews videos on this channel because I love it, and because there are good opportunities that can flow out of earnings. So that's what you get from Courage Pays Better Than Fear Trading here on YouTube. You get the real world content, which comes from Driven. You get the teaching, the education component in the form of different videos. And you also get the market analysis, technical analysis videos where we look at individual tickers, earnings, and that's what you can expect here from the channel. Straightforward. I am not a professional YouTuber. I'm learning and growing, but it's more about getting the message out there that, hey, you need to get involved in the markets. You need to commit yourself to learning this. Doesn't mean you have to be a full-time trader or a full-time investor, but you need to start learning this so that you can take advantage of the power that is the markets, use it for your advantage, grow your wealth for your family. And that's what it's all about. So wanted to share that message with you guys, wanted to get clear on the purpose of this channel, why it exists. And you know, we've got over, I think, 1.5 million views, which I'm really proud of, but that's a testament to all of you out there. There are so many great things that are coming for this channel that I just can't wait for, and I'm so appreciative of you supporting it. So just wanted to get clear on that, and wanted to thank you from the bottom of my heart for all of your support, for all the views, for all the watch time that you're putting in here. It really does mean a lot to me, and hopefully in some way it is helping you, it is benefiting you, and you feel like you are learning the markets. So that's what I got for you today. And as I always like to close out the episodes of Driven, make it a great day, honor this beautiful, glorious moment, and most importantly, be grateful. Thank you everyone for being here on the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.